Welcome back, guys, to QBSYLUHV channel. Today we'd like to talk about Dydx, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Dominance, and the BNB. Let's dive in. Let's start with the BNB. So I don't want to explain to you all this news, what happened yesterday. You saw it, everything on a Twitter feed and a lot of sources. So I can't tell you it was something unpredictable. No. Like you can see, the United States regulator, they want to regulate all centralized exchanges, what they not regulate yet. Because they made a deal with Coinbase, now they want to open a lawsuit once again against the Kraken. Now we can see the Binance. It doesn't mean the Binance will shut down, or something happened. I would like to show you this post. And yes, if you want to understand what's going on now, you just have to take a look at the history and find a post, what's happening with Arthur Hayes and a BitMEX. And 1 year ago with FTX. Just open the news, read about collapses, shutdowns, and all this stuff, and take a look at the Bitcoin chart. So it doesn't look like something crazy for BNB, because look, this candle looks like something flash crash or black swan for Binance. Come on, it's just like a basic regular day, maybe not so regular day, but look, 17%, and now we come back 12% down. So even the other coins in the same day can lose over than 12%. That's why for BNB market, the flash crash can be if we drop to 125 or even $81. So maybe this is going to be the flash crash. We can come back to these targets for BNB. After new all-time high, for example, if we will hit 988, I showed you. So the risk reward now it's not so huge, and yes, 300% profit for 1,000, around 1,000, and we come back to this huge monthly gap in the next bear market, and it's gonna be pretty hard to drop from 1K, for example, to 95, 48, 46, $48, 95% drop in the next cycle. So we will see. Let's go to Bitcoin Dominance. For Bitcoin, I would like to show you here, based on Binance futures chart, we got a signal to buy and still not see the signal to sell. So look, here was a signal to buy, here was a signal to take profit, exactly at 36K. And a market, the main target going to be the 36. Now I'm waiting this block. I'm waiting this block to sweep this liquidity pool and close maybe 50%. So around 50, 52. It's going to be the end of this move, by my personal opinion. Something like this one. We'll see that maybe first signal to sell, then correction down to 30, and then continuation up. Most negative scenario, what we can see, if really something happened, and all this ETF, it's just last stage for Bitcoin, and we will see that not a new cycle, this can be the top, and then long road down once again to really lowest point. It's 2.61 low by FIP, around 11K. Maybe. I hope not. But yes, keep in mind, buy the rumor, sell the fact news, and they just want to play now with us. So we can see something like this one. And we'll recover maybe around 2025 to 2026. So I don't know what will happen next in this case with altcoins, but it's going to be pretty scary. Positive scenario, you remember. Positive scenario, I would like to show you here on this chart. I mark it. Here's a weekly time frame. Last time when we saw the signal to buy here in January 15, I showed you on whole Bitcoin history, we got only the third signal to buy on a weekly time frame. One, take profit, sell, top. Buy, take profit, sell till the top, till the end of bull run. Recommendation, close position, drop, new sell. Here, new signal to buy, take profit, and no signals to sell on the weekly time frame. I showed you the potential targets for Bitcoin. It's 106, and just basic dates, you know, if they want to push the price to new all-time high in May 2024, it can be here. If they would like to push the price high to new all-time high to this three drives pattern, you know, I call it, we can hit 119 March 2025, and then 127, it's October 2025. So around here, it's just hypothetical numbers. But now no signal to sell on a Bitcoin. And it's kind of weird because now we're just in the middle. And also look on a monthly time frame here, how the trade on playing out before. It's all history. Sell, recommendation close position, pump, sell, recommendation close position on a monthly time frame. Sell, recommendation close position. No new signal to sell. So basically, if the history repeat, we can see the signal to sell around here. So this is how it works. What I don't like on the chart now is this one. Base it on take profit indicator. We're over then exit line. So we bounce from the exit line, bounce once again in a COVID dump, come back down. I did a test at a monthly time frame, the buy line. And yes, if they want to just bring the FOMO with the EDF, and it can be the buy the rumor, sell the fact events. So we can see something like this one. And retest it around 17 or even 15 or 12K buy line till that time. If we take a look on a weekly time frame, here's more optimistical, you know, because we traded every single time when we traded under or around fundamental price, we bounce, then retest the buy line and going higher. Now we traded under fundamental price, get a signal to buy, retest the buy line and going higher. Now would be good to see something like this one in October 15 when we bounce, going higher, and then come back to the buy line. So this time the story can be like this one, going over, way over, and then come back down to the buy line till that time can be around here, around 25K. 25 with the squeeze can be once again low 18. So we will see, but now we're just in the middle. That's why it's kind of scary. For me, personally, not about a Bitcoin. Scary, personally, for me, about altcoins. About a Bitcoin dominance here, still the same. We try and hold the line. This level, 52. So like you can see here, was rejection, 50, highest point, 52.18. Drop it down, bounce. Now we hold the line. And the road can be open to 57.25 and take profit indicator line. Alt season gonna be in this zone. So everything I showed you. The Dydx also, I remind you this target. Remember, here's a listing price. Most negative scenario, if we will go and test this downtrend line, local downtrend line, it's gonna be 27 level, again, $1.63. Of course, like you remember, we can see something even like this one. Yes, it's possible. So if they push the price, for example, on a Bitcoin to 52, we can see something like this one and then go into bear market again. Yes, we just work with possibilities. In this area, I showed you we will just see the three drives pattern orders. So the people who trade classic TA, they just add their limit orders exactly at this level here. So around here, they add a limit orders to sell. That's why we see the seller pressure. We see all this stuff with the Binance. And yes, we can see this drop. And take a look how we hold the line of listing price. So this was a listing price here. $3 round number. We sweep the low. Basically, if we go to the weekly time frame, yes, we're still not close at the weekly gap here. So basically, this one. Maybe we'll come back and close it later. If we'll take a look at a monthly, on a monthly, it's hard to say what we'll see next in in December, because this gap is done. So maybe we'll forming something like a new one from, let me show you. Maybe we'll open, and it will be good if we'll open the monthly candle around $3 or around $2.80. So it means we can see something like this candle, leave some monthly gap, and come back to this gap in the next bear market. So now we get a seller pressure on the monthly time frame. On a weekly, yes, would be good to see, of course, continuation up, because it's not necessary. So we come back and close every single gap. Look, we leave it here, the gap, tiny one on the weekly time frame. Maybe later we come back and close. At that time, yes, we leave an order flow, we sweep below. That's why now it's kind of strange time on the market. Main targets for the Dydx still relevant. So here's a monthly time frame gap, what will come back and close sooner or later. And the main target is still relevant, 17 and around $20 per the Dydx. In December, I remind you, we will see the massive unlock 50% for the Dydx. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what do you think about BNB, Bitcoin dominance, and the Dydx at this current moment. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.